Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we are going to discuss about another very important topic related to Angular pipes, that is NumberPipe. Yes, so NumberPipe is a pipe that is commonly used for converting a number from one particular format to another particular format. Okay. So in this session, we will be discussing the basics of it, like how to use it. We will see everything practically, different scenarios. We'll try to understand the exact syntax or structure. Okay, so these all things we are going to discuss in this particular session. But before we start session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic. Because for now we are just mainly focusing on how to use Angular pipe for number. Okay, alright, so let's get started. Firstly, we will go to app.component.ts file. Here in the import section, we will mention common module, because we all know that this is the module which provides us all basic directives and pipe. So just simply press enter here. Once you press enter, it will add you this line in the code. That means your common module is successfully imported. Once module is imported, now you can take your mouse cursors on this common module. It will show you that it export all the basic Angular directives and pipe. Okay, now you can simply expand this app component, and inside this you can put any date if you want to perform any operation on a date, so that you can pass here. So for example, not date, sorry, any number. So let's give it as a name as amount. Okay, in amount we will set the type as number equal, then we will put the value which is 1234.56 and save it. Perfect. So on this page, like, we are done with this thing, like common module is imported. We have declared one variable that we need for the demo purpose. Now we can go to app.component.html file. In this HTML file, we have Angular 19 course by Tech Sharmit. This is just a heading. After this, we will put another heading that will put the title of this session, which is NumberPipe in Angular. Okay, NumberPipe in Angular. This is our today's topic name. So let's try to run this and see the output. ng serve -- open. Before writing the main logic, we will just see like everything is coming properly or not. So I just run one command, ng serve -- open, which shows me this browser screen, Angular 19 course by Tech Sharmit, NumberPipe and Angular. Perfect. Now after this, what we are going to do here, we will perform some operations, but prior to that we will print the date, print the number as it is. So let's write p tag here. Okay, and in p tag we will write amount without any pipe. Okay, and then we will use colon. After a colon we will use double curly braces, and here we will just simply use the amount variable. Perfect. Now you can save it and refresh it. So this is the actual value that we have got, which is 1234.56. Now let's talk about the syntax of this this thing, that is your pipe, right? So for this, what we will do, I'll show you the syntax. Let me put one comment over here, so that if you are referring it through, if you are taking a notes, you can refer it. Okay, so here you can write double curly braces. Inside this, firstly we will use the value, then pipe symbol. After that you have to write number, then colon. After a colon you have to put some values. Okay, and these value would be in this format, like min int digits, which is minimum integer digits, then dot minimum min fraction digits, then hyphen max fraction digits. Okay, so this is the actual syntax that we will be following. I'll tell you what is this. So the first thing, value is clear that this is the variable where we want to perform this operation. Then we have number, which is a pipe, so which comes after the pipe operator. This is the actual pipe which we are using. Then we have min integer digits, which is nothing but a minimum digit before the decimal point, and it paired with zeros if it is a small number. Okay, then we have next thing is min fraction digit. Min fraction digit means a minimum digit after the decimal paired with zeros. Okay, then we have max fraction digits. Max fraction digits means it is the maximum digit after the decimal. It trims if it is true long. Okay, so I think syntax wise we are good. So let's try some practical example where we will apply different values and we'll see the output accordingly. Let me write it here. Syntax of angular NumberPipe. All right, so this is okay. Now you can simply expand this, and here we will write all the required examples. So first is p tag. Here I will use let me copy it. Okay, so NumberPipe with, here I will write 1.0 hyphen 0. Okay, so this is the thing. Now after this I can put colon and double curly braces. Here I will write amount, then we can write here number. Okay, and then we will write here colon, and after a colon we will put the value which is 1.0 hyphen 0. Okay, so let's see how it shows. So it is basically showing 1 2 3 4 5 only. Why? Because we have provided the value which is as per the format we mentioned here, like minimum integer digit, then dot minimum fraction digit, and then max fraction digits. Okay, so that's why we have got this value as 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 5. Okay, now you can simply copy it because we want to save our time. So we'll just copy it and make the modification as per the new values. So here I will write 1.1 hyphen 1, same here 1.1 hyphen 1. So in this case you will see the output is coming as 1234.6. okay, because we put 1 here. Likewise we will copy it again, and this time I will pass it as 1.2 hyphen 2. Okay, so here also we can make the changes 1.2 hyphen 2. So if you save it, you will find that output is coming as 1234.56. Perfect. Let's try one more example. In this situation we will put 1.2 hyphen 4. So you can just make it as 4, and here also you can write 1.2 hyphen 4. Save it and refresh it. So this time we have got 1234.56. okay, let's paste it again, and this time I'm going to use another format, that is 6.2 hyphen 2. okay, so here also you can put 6.2 hyphen 2. Perfect. Now you can save it and refresh it. So you will see the output as 001234.56, because as I mentioned, like it paired the zeros if the number is small. So this is what it do, because we want 6 number before that, right? So you can see the minimum integer digits. So minimum we have put the minimum digit number as this. okay, so minimum digits before the decimal is 6, and that is why it padded 2 extra zeros. okay, so these are the all I would say the possible example that you can try with. Not all possible, because you can customize it for sure. Like if you want to make it 5, that is fine, but overall you will use only these patterns in order to convert your number from one format to another format. okay, so same thing you can do, like you can do some practice. If you have any questions, queries or something, you can simply reach out to me, okay, through the comment section. And if you have any particular topic in your mind that you want me to cover during the session, so please do let me know through the comment itself, so that I can try to provide you the information on that. Okay, and in the next session we will cover more topics related to the Angular, and we will go in the same way from basic to advanced. So yeah, that's all for today. See you in the next session with new topics. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.